School year decisions. A school leader standing outside of a school. A new school year starts soon in the U.S. For most schools, the school year starts in August or September. Usually students return to classrooms at the beginning of the school year. This school year may be different for many students because of the coronavirus. The coronavirus spreads from person to person and can spread quickly in crowds. School leaders do not want the coronavirus to spread in schools and make students and teachers sick. They want to keep students and teachers healthy. They want students to learn too. School leaders are making decisions for their schools. Students wearing face masks in a classroom. Some school leaders want students to learn in classrooms, but being in classrooms may be different. Schools may have new rules to help keep students, teachers, and other school staff healthy. Students, teachers, and school staff may need to wear face masks. Face masks may help stop the spread of the coronavirus. Students may need to social distance in classrooms. They may need to sit far apart. They may not go to some shared spaces like gyms or music rooms. Students may have their temperatures checked and may need to wash their hands more often. School leaders hope the new rules keep everyone healthy. A student learning online. Some school leaders want students to learn online. Many of these students will learn from home. These students may use laptops, tablets, or computers to learn. Students may have classes online. Students may use cameras to see their teachers and classmates during the classes. The students may talk to their teachers and classmates online. Teachers may talk about schoolwork during the classes. Teachers may send packets of schoolwork to students' homes, or they may send schoolwork to students online. Parents and caregivers may help students learn online. They may help students access their schoolwork. School leaders hope learning online keeps everyone healthy. A classroom. Some school leaders want students to learn both in classrooms and online. Students may learn in classrooms some days and learn online other days. School leaders may have to change rules during the school year, depending on how much the coronavirus is spreading. School leaders may make the decision to have students start the new school year learning online and return to classrooms later in the school year. Learning is important. School leaders want students to learn. They want to keep students, teachers, and other school staff healthy too. What will your school do this school year? Review page. Number 1. What is the main idea of this story? This new school year may be different for many students. Parents and caregivers may help students learn online. Some school leaders want students to learn in classrooms. Number 2. Circle true or false about the following statements. Every student will only learn online this school year. True, false. Students may need to wear face masks in classrooms. True, false. The coronavirus does not spread from person to person. True, false. Number 3. Answer these questions about the story. Who are making decisions for their schools? What may students use to learn online? Number 4. Identify some things about the new school year. All students will learn at home. All students will go to gyms. Students may wear face masks. Some students will learn online. May be different. Starts soon. Number 5. Circle fact or opinion about the following statements. Music class is the best class. Fact, opinion. The coronavirus can spread quickly in crowds. fact, opinion. Think page. Number 1, what do you like best about school? Number 2, why is keeping healthy important? Number 3, how have other activities changed because of the coronavirus? And number 4, describe a decision you have made.